Guys, we got an interesting one here. I've already looked at this a little bit. 2007 Dodge Ram. I wasn't going to film this, but they said they had a cylinder 5 misfire. Okay, if we look, these are the codes we get. And there was also, okay, we do got the cylinder 5 there. We got these heater performance codes, okay? So, what I did is I went to data. I was using the Altel before, but I couldn't do I wanted to do a crank relearn. Oh, I went into the wrong thing. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's go back. System tests. Looking for which cylinder is misfiring. There we go. Which cylinder is misfiring. So you'll see cylinder 5's counting up. But when I did a PCM reset in the scan tool and started this up, it stopped misfiring and then it started again.